try.
Alright, this is the new one. She's practicing. This is the new one.
Hurry for my camera.
Do we need another light? Turn on that light.
I'm coming for you.
Again.
Okay, turn on that light or something. The kitchen.
Turn this on.
That one doesn't work.
Turn on the kitchen light. Say something sexy, Neen.
Hey
Ooh, ow, ow. Why is this camera not focused? Okay, do it. Ew. Stop, we already know Janelle's gonna lose her V card soon.
I know.
And now Janelle's humping her, getting her ready and shit.
See Ruben move his legs just so he can see.
Put your foot on him.
Have you been
Try to put your foot on top of
No, you don't need to get up here. Oh.
Drea? Drea be getting down? Huh? Auntie gets down?
At her party, when she did
Ate gets down? Does Ate gets down?
Ate.
Ate gets
Tell
down.
me why she was like, RJ tried to name Drea Auntie Dua, and then I was like, well,
Do
what's
the
my name?
dance. Why am I still
Auntie
recording?
Auntie Mumu.
You gotta do the face. Hold on, it's out of focus. Alright, hold on, let me tell you. Let me tell you what. Stop moving, it's trying to focus. Bitch! Okay, signing off. The 3 sexiest people in this whole entire room. Signing off. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Oh, I do one.